is rolled with a velocity. You look at that velocity here. With respect to wagon, I think problem has become very simple. So the ball will be rolled here. So you write it. At the same time, it will accelerate. So let's discuss the motion of the person standing on the platform. So because of horizontal velocity and acceleration, what do you expect? A parabolic path, you know, projectile motion. And this telling it will pass through the center. So how the path pass should be parabolic. Any reason for that? Because of this acceleration, u1 will remain same. Its velocity component will keep on increase. At one point, it will be like this. So at this particular, when the ball has reached here, now it will start undergoing retardation. Now it will start undergoing retardation. What actually, I think we are just discussing in better to discuss the problem in trolley frame only. Don't jump to ground frame. Very difficult to justify things. So after reaching here, the path, I'll remove this. So where the ball now? So the ball will be here and it starts moving in a, it will undergo retardation. So put A like this. What should happen to this one now? How do it will continue to move? What will happen to that horizontal component of the ball? It has to remain same, no, everywhere. Even when ball is here, and it will acquire some velocity along this direction also. Vry, okay, there's urx, I'll write it. Now what will happen? It is having that Vry and Vrx, where this everything is equal to Vrx only, let me write. Now it will undergo retardation. So then what is the path of the ball? Again it will be a parabola. And it will be like this. So how do we can say all these things? So how the velocity of the ball will be known? It will have only which component? Same Vrx. And it will strike exactly at this particular point. So he's asking C, no? Himself, he has given all the conditions. So therefore, I should assume like this. Will the ball hit wall BC or wall CD or the corner C? It is going to strike the corner C. First one. Ball. Next part. What is the speed of the ball relative to wagon at the instant it hits a wall? What should be the speed with which it will strike? Again, it should be U only. Yeah. In the ground frame, what actually happens? In the ground frame, what actually happens? Anybody, can you tell how the motion of the ball will be? I think better we have to draw the diagram. So the train will not be there only. Yeah? And this is what given velocity UR. So even in the ground frame, will it strike point C? Okay, a person standing in the trolley says it strikes it. In the ground frame, the particular black color box will have a displacement here. Will the path of the ball, will it be parabolic in the ground frame? I'm able to make problem very simple. Himself has said that it will be at the center the moment it starts applying brakes. Therefore, I'm able to conclude here. Otherwise, it will be very difficult mathematically. Anybody ground frame?
Straight line.
I think we'll try to. We'll draw small boxes. So we'll see what actually is going to take place. After some time, it will be here. After some time, it will be here. The ball initially started like this. And this is what? A, B, C, D. At t equals 0, this is a situation. After some time t is what? We have this condition. How the motion of the ball will be. What is the effect of acceleration here? So actually, we'll be projecting the ball with a velocity in this direction. With respect to ground, the velocity of ball will be somewhere like this. Is it okay? The dotted line is very important. Path of the ball.
So it should accelerate downwards now, sir.
Which one?
Wagon.
Not accelerating. Say initially it will accelerate, then afterwards retard.
It should
It's
be
over.
downward now, sir.
Which one?
Acceleration initially. Afterwards, it should be upward. Else it's not possible.
Why?
Wagon's frame, the acceleration on the of the particle will be upward now, sir. Which means the
No.
acceleration of the wagon should be downward.
Sir, he gave acceleration parallel to dA, sir. So it will be downwards only.
To be at center, the
The
reference
ball
frame
is
should.
rolled along with a velocity. The ball passes to the center of wagon, applied, and the begins to retard. That is equal to a ball is given velocity parallel to AB. No, it is
But wagon is given acceleration parallel to dA, sir, not AD.
along that wall only. No, it is.
Yes, sir, but acceleration should be downwards. Or else this motion is not possible.
In the fourth line, he gave, sir, the train is moving with uniform acceleration in the direction parallel to dA.
Along that side, no, it should be okay. We'll do one thing. This is the if it is downward. If it is downward, then what means pseudo force will act like this, huh?
Yes, sir. So it will be upward.
Upward and all. Oh. In the train frame, no? In the train frame, it should be then it should be Okay, this is t equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
I think here I'll change direction. Okay, that's one. In the trolley frame, no, pseudo force should act on it. This is t equals 0. The ball is projected here. And I'll take it all these diagrams. May not be. Where is the ball is here, no?